Now this might just be the best portable backdrop for photography and videography. That's a bold claim to make, coming from an intermediate photographer. Do I have any evidence to back this up? Stay tuned to find out. Now what I have here is the Neewer 2-in-1 Chroma-Key blue/gray screen collapsible backdrop that currently retails for $56.49 on Amazon. One side of this backdrop is chroma blue. Think of this as green screen green, but blue. And the other side is gray, which is a super versatile color for a backdrop. Now here is how to use it. The gray side of this backdrop inherits the color of an RGB or gelled light. Plain and simple. Properly compose your shot to cover the entire backdrop, then place the colored RGB light or gelled light behind your subject, and ta-da! You have a colored background. Spill from your key light or your fill light, if I had one, would desaturate the color intensity on the backdrop. To remedy this, move your key light, fill light, camera, and subject further away from your backdrop. For photography, the rules are pretty much the same. Just hit the gray side of the backdrop with either an RGB light, a gelled light, or a gelled flash. With my gelled flash pointing directly at the gray side of this backdrop, this is my first test photo. The next 3 photos were better framed with the flash power adjusted. For shits and giggles, I hit the backdrop with the flash at full power. In the photo with the flash at full power, the flash overpowers the gel and the fall off becomes the color of the gel. The fall off meaning by fall off I mean the vignettes. In the next photo, I point the gelled flash at the ceiling with a lower flash setting. I switched out the purple gel for a pink gel, and in the next 2 images, the flash power was set to 1/8, and I think the images came out great. After switching to a red gel, I then experimented with the height of the light stand to manage the color intensity and gradient fall off of the background color. To make the backdrop go pure white, hit the gray side of the backdrop with the ungelled flash. Direct flash can be used in this situation because with the color gels, the hotspot goes pure white and the vignetting fall off will take the color of the gel. But in this case, the hotspot would be white and any fall off would also be white to different intensities. For chroma screen, just light the blue side as evenly as possible, compose your shot, and hey presto, you have a green screen. A blue green screen. If you can't get your chroma screen to fully cover your composition, you can create a mask that covers the chroma screen, then apply the ultra key or key light effect to the video. Remember to place the replacement footage or image below the clip with the keying effects. This backdrop is an unwieldy 5 feet by 7 feet in dimensions. For a small space, I would recommend using a smaller backdrop. I will keep this backdrop because I intend to use it as a portable backdrop for my photography and videography side hustle. If you're interested in purchasing this backdrop, check the links in the description down below. Other items such as my little wheel lights, a smaller backdrop, my flash, and gel, and the softbox will also be linked down below. Thanks for watching everyone, bye.